split chickpea vermicelli pasta soup, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes, one of the most nutritious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pasta recipes and one of the most delicious of the vermicelli recipes. Today we're going to make split chickpea vermicelli soup. The ingredients are around 80 grams of split chickpea, around 25 to 50 grams of vermicelli pasta, a spoon of rice flakes, around 20 to 25 peppercorns, a spoon of fenugreek seeds, 1.5 spoons of fennel seeds, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, and 1 or 2 spring onions cut into fine pieces, and 20 shallots. Heat the pan and pour in around 50 grams of clarified butter or ghee. Let it get heated. Put in the fenugreek seeds. Salt the fenugreek seeds until they start popping. Put in the fennel seeds and the peppercorns. And the rice flakes, salt, thoroughly, until the smell from the fennel seeds comes out. Ingredients together. Now put in the ginger, the garlic, salt, put the ginger and the garlic together. That is what I mix. Put in the shallots, together with the rest of the ingredients. Keep on sorting. Put in the chickpeas, put in the mixture, saute it. Saute it. Thoroughly mix. Pour in water. Mix thoroughly. Let the mixture come to a boil. Keep on mixing. Put in salt to taste. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 10 to 15 minutes if in the pressure cooker or 25 to 30 minutes if in the open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in the vermicelli pasta. Mix. And let the mixture cook for 6 to 7 minutes. Put in the spring onion pieces along with the vermicelli. Mix and let the mixture cook. Now the split chickpea vermicelli pasta soup is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final split chickpea vermicelli pasta soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most nutritious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pasta recipes and one of the most unique of the vermicelli recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.